So that's the noise my Xbox One S is making. Got it about a week ago for Cyber Monday or Black Friday or one or the other. 500 gigabyte Gears of War version, blue. And I don't know. Small noise, not as noticeable in person as it is on the phone, but definitely some kind of noise happening with the fan. Normal? Not normal? I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I'm sure I could return it. Might just get another that sounds like this, like people are saying. So one more time. And that's just at the menu for Battlefield. We're not playing, but I don't think it gets much louder, but definitely noticeable. And the Xbox One original doesn't make noise at all, so it's pretty frustrating, I guess. But yeah, definitely not super quiet.